In this video, we'll demonstrate how to incorporate subscriptions into your Shopify store. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about adding subscriptions to Shopify. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Adding subscriptions to your Shopify store can be a game changer. Let's streamline this process and get started. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the product section of your Shopify website. Here's the catch. Shopify doesn't have a native integration that allows direct addition of subscription-based products. But there's a workaround. Head to the settings by clicking on the button located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once in the settings, find and click on Apps and Sales Channels. From there, access the Shopify App Store by clicking on the Shopify App Store button at the top right corner. Search for subscription in the App Store. You'll find various applications designed for this purpose. Consider choosing one that suits your needs. For example, I'll recommend the Appsel application due to its high ratings and popularity. Click on Add App and then Install to integrate it into your store. After installation, choose your preferred plan on Appsel. You can opt for the free plan or explore the features offered by other plans during the 10-day free trial. Once activated, the Appsel interface will display subscription settings on the left side. You'll find basic tools ready for implementation. Click on Subscriptions and explore the options to either create new subscriptions or export pre-existing ones. To create a new subscription, select Create Manual Subscription. Customize the subscription according to your preferences and integrate it seamlessly into your Shopify store. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. I hope this guide helped you successfully integrate subscriptions into your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content.